In this lecture, let us discuss about performance testing. Performance testing mainly focus on evaluating the performance and scalability of a system or application. So its main aim is to identify bottlenecks, measure system performance under various loads and conditions, and also ensure that the system can handle expected number of users or transactions. So we can say that performance testing is a process of analyzing the quality and capability of a product. So it mainly determines system performance in terms of speed, responsiveness, stability, scalability, reliability under various or under varying workloads. Types of performance testing. These are three types of performance testing. So these are just few examples. So first one is a load testing. So load testing guesses how the application performs under expected load conditions. So based on the given load, how it works. Say if you increase the load, then also the system should perform well. So here it mainly assesses how the application performs under expected load conditions. It helps us in determining if the application can handle anticipated number of concurrent users or transactions. So here this application, it should handle any number of users. And stress testing, it mainly tests the application under extreme conditions like excessive load or data, to evaluate how it handles stress and to identify breaking points or failure modes. Third one is volume testing. It tests the application performance with large volumes of data. So if you provide huge amount of data, then in that case, how the application performs. So that can be tested using volume testing. So it will test the application performance with large volumes of data to ensure that it can handle and process large data sets efficiently. And these are few advantages. The first one is improved user performance. So here this performance testing ensures that the application responds quickly to user interactions. So, thus, it gives or provides a better overall experience, and it even helps in meeting user expectations by ensuring the application performs well under various conditions. Next is identifying bottlenecks early. It helps in identifying performance bottlenecks and issues early in the development process. So, thus, it allows for timely resolution. So, if you find the things or any issues early in the development stage, then you can improve or you can remove the issues more easily, so that we can save a lot of time as well as money also. Next is validate system capacity. It validates that the application can handle increased loads and scale effectively as user traffic grows. And it reduces the risk of failures. This testing, it assists in identifying and mitigating risks related to performance before the software is released to the users. Then coming to the disadvantages, first one is high cost. This testing requires significant infrastructure resources to simulate high loads and monitor performance, which can be quite costly. And limited scope. This testing is focused on performance related aspects. So it may not address other important quality attributes like functional correctness, security, or usability. So here, performance tests may not cover all possible scenarios or edge cases, potentially missing certain performance issues. Next is a complexity. Performance testing can be complex to set up and execute. So it requires detailed planning and accurate simulation of real world conditions. And fourth one is time consuming. Performance tests, especially comprehensive ones, they take a significant amount of time to execute, so which may delay the development cycle. And also analyzing the performance test results to identify and resolve issues can be time consuming.